lap 2. Hooked up. Pretty unbelievable, to be honest. Ooh, little slip there. Take it easy. Bit of ABS interference, just for the record. Interference is a strong word. Let's say intervention. Interference sounds like it's making it worse. Intervention is saving your ass. So it's ABS intervention. That's got stuck on the racing line there, vision locked. I looked at the racing line and I went there. Right, let's remember what we did last time. We did stupid stuff last time, so let's go a bit slower. Around the outside. Gentle squeeze of the gas dial and release the car to the right hand side over the crest, thank you. Full right at the 82, gently on the gas, accelerating the whole way, aiming at the bottom left of the compression, going over the jump on the right hand side. As soon as the weight is settled, braking smoothly and softly and early, round the outside. As soon as the car's straight, we're going to start braking soft. We'll increase the brake pressure as you get more confidence, and then we'll hit the outside line, pick up the grip, and be careful of the exit where the racing line goes underneath you like a freaking carpet of oil. So this is going to be an early apex, out to the full right in the middle, little correction needed. Left hand side, we're going to swap it to the right pretty aggressively, because I want that right side through the dip. There we go. Early brake, late turn. No apex, bringing it back to the full left-hand side, down to third, round the outside. Get to the full right again. Use this bit of surface here, pull her over to the left, squeeze the gas on relatively early. And there we go, we're hooked up again. There's a long period of throttle balancing there. This looks very much like a federal policeman. So I'm sorry to cut your nose off, mate, but I do need this wet line. Round the outside again. Lovely. Braking super early. If it does interfere, if you do get the intervention from the ABS, just relax the brake pedal a little bit. You ask for too much. Nice late turn in, cross the racing line neutral as we can there. Now we're full on the left, gentle early brake, round the outside. Lots of grip on the outside line, no problem at all. Oh, little bump at the end, just unseated us. Loose hands, loose hands. Loose wrists, loose elbows, loose sphincter. End of the steel railing, we can crank her. And now we just relax as we hit the racing line, get it over on the left, we're back on the grip, look. Bit of fifth, back to fourth. We can brake hard here, look. Then we're going to cross over to the right, we're going to use the outside line again. Bit of wheel outside line again, dudes. Lots of grip there, no grip here. That's the racing line, as you see. I wonder if I could crank it right a little bit at the exit. It's difficult because you're going uphill. Everything feels very difficult there. Braking nice and early, nice and smooth. We go all the way down to the bottom of third. We're going to let the car swap out to the left side. Super gentle. Be careful at the exit. There it goes again. There it goes. 11 kilometers, we're on the right. I often treat this as a miss hit miss in the dry, but we're definitely miss. Nice M2. We're going to back it out a little bit because I don't particularly want to overtake at speed. I want to just squeeze through on the left again. Exactly the same as last lap, it felt. I think last lap I had to approach on the left as well though. At least that time I got to find my exit a bit better. Ooh, 6th gear, Dale. Autopilot is bad. That was just the limit of what we could achieve up there. Zooming around the outside. Remember, this is not as good as it was yesterday. It's not, definitely not. All 4 tyres were very upset with me there. Bit slippy. Sketch, Dale, sketch. This is nasty. I'm going to try and line it up for the left side. That apex is so slippy, man. Did you see? We were on approach, everything was good. The moment we get to the apex, we're in full damage control, just managing the slide. You do not understand until you've driven it yourself just how bad the racing line is in the wet if you are not on racing wet tyres. The racing wets can grip to that smooth stuff, no problem. But street tyres, slicks, semi-slicks, they just can't do it. This dude's putting me on the racing line. It's exactly where I don't want to be. We'll cut through and we're back on our wet line, lovely. Bit of understeer, we'll just let it plough a little bit, we'll pick up that oversteer at the end. Bit of wheel spin. It is an open dip on the Alpine, remember, it's not a limited slip. So you can have a nice little bit of wheel spin on one side without it dynamically setting the car off. Nice outside line. That touched the racing line, that was just a big old mistake, dudes. And again, dipstick. We're going to hit the racing line. Now we're on the wet line. And what we do, look, is we do like a gentle left again at the top. Just it took us into that good bit, look. Braking smooth, braking early. Very gentle brakes, look. That's the other thing people don't seem to understand is if you hit ABS, you have failed. ABS on its own is not faster. ABS is cleverer. It can brake 4 wheels independently of each other. You can only brake with 1 pedal. ABS can do a lot. But if you trigger it, you've pretty much screwed your lap time, you've screwed your corner entry. It's just a whole bunch of stuff you screwed up. We'll do this in fourth, not third. Just that inside wheel doing a little bit of wheel spin. We're going around the outside. Two pretty hard girls. There we go. I'm comfortable with full throttle on these and it is just lightly raining the whole time. Okay. So that's 2 laps back to back.